Hello everyone, my name is Amber and I'm the Youth Services Assistant at the Boyle County Public Library. Welcome to How to Draw. Today I'm going to show you all how to draw Harry Potter. Step 1. Start by drawing Harry's bangs. Use short curved lines that come to a point, then go back up. Step 2. Draw Harry's head using a wide U shape, starting and ending at the bangs. Step 3. Time to add detail to his face. Draw 2 big circles connected with a line on Harry's face for his glasses. Add 2 small ovals in the middle of these for his eyes. Lastly, add a cute smile and his lightning bolt scar. Step 4. Give him some ears. Draw 2 half circles on either side of his head, starting where his glasses end. Step 5. For Harry's hair, start at the top a little above the part in his bangs. Draw the hair going down the left side, ending in little points and curving inwards. Repeat this on the other side, starting back at the top. Step 6. Draw Harry's scarf by starting with a long, curved rectangle where his neck would be. Draw another smaller rectangle coming down on Harry's left side. Give it some stripes. Step 7. To draw Harry's body, start by drawing his arm with a line coming down from the end of the scarf. Make it a short rectangle with a half circle on the end. Draw a square for his torso, then draw another short rectangle with a half circle for the other arm. Step 8. Draw a small triangle coming from the bottom of his scarf, then make a line going straight down for his wizard robe. Step 9. Draw his feet using squares with curved ends. Step 10. Color. Thank you all so much for watching this week's How to Draw. As a reminder, we're going to be moving to an every other week basis for How to Draw. The next video will be on Saturday, February 20th at 1 p.m.